with Digital TV Network.
Good morning, Angel and Michelle. I am Legander Bulin giving you the local news this morning about Rizal Boulevard. Boulevard is a popular spot for morning joggers and walkers. Rizal Boulevard is the most visited destination for tourists and locals alike, where highlight some of the boulevard stop attracted from stunning views to historic landmarks. We're also bringing you updates on upcoming events and activities along the boulevard, including outdoor concerts and fitness classes. Every morning is a new beginning, and Rizal Boulevard is a perfect place to start your day with a smile. That's all for now, Rizal Boulevard. This is President Caroline reporting live.
Now we're done with the local news. Let's proceed to the information.
For our here, the Mariente, here's an important message from our party. Please document your Negros Oriental.
Good morning, Angel. Good morning, Michelle. I am Mati Batanto, and you're right, the bus for the active. I'm here at the Piapi ground where our young athletes are pushing their women only. We wish them all the best. This is Mati Batanto, reporting live.
Local news and sports. Let's now turn our attention to the national team. Here's a national news about Suleiman.
Good morning, Angel Michelle. This is Jara Maidon giving you the national news update. Suleiman University is a prestigious institution in Dumaguete City, Philippines that makes waves globally. In their mission and social responsibilities, Suleiman University has recently ranked 25th in the World University Ranking for Innovation and 17th in the EdTech category. This is impressive feat and attributed to the university flagship community engagement program, the